Hey guys, Torrence Ford here, Remax Premier. Welcome to Torrence Ford Presents. We're coming out of this COVID pandemic and into some new normals as far as what we can tell thus far with the real estate market. Continue to check in with us monthly, hit the subscribe button, and get ready to push new envelopes as we continue to coach and push agents to new top tiers in their real estate careers. Come on in, let me show you the office for a moment. So the goal with being a top agent is to always be fresh, have new ideas, and continue pushing the envelope of being creative and different in your space. My goal is that monthly, I'm gonna continue to bring new guests, bring new ideas, and entertain you, as well as educate you from Torrence Ford Presents. So feel free to check in, check back, and hit the subscribe button and DM us and let us know if you have any questions, and we'll make sure to provide that content for you to help you be creative with your clients. Talk to you soon.